Standard 10, Subject English, Unit 3.5, Unbeatable Supermom Mary Kom. Mary Kom. Changnejang Mary Kom was born on 24th November 1982. Better known as Mary Kom, she is an Olympic Indian boxer hailing from the Kom tribe in Manipur. She is a six-time world amateur boxing champion and the only woman boxer to have won a medal in each one of the six world championships. Nicknamed Magnificent Mary, she is the only Indian woman boxer to have qualified for the Summer 2012 Olympics, competing in the flyweight 51 kg category and winning the bronze medal. There had to be one successful story if Indians were to survive in sports, and we have that story now. Enough has been said about this great warrior who conquered the world. This warrior is none other than Mary Mante Kom, the Conqueror and the Comrade. She is famed as a 5 times world boxing champion and the only boxer to win a medal in every one of the six world championships. In the 2012 Olympics, she became the first Indian boxer to qualify and win a bronze medal in the 51 kg flyweight category of boxing. So this is Mary Kom, Mary Mante Kom, the Conqueror and the Comrade. She is famed as a 5 times world boxing champion, the only boxer to win a medal in every one of the six world championships. She competed in the 2012 Olympics and she won the bronze medal in the 51 kg flyweight category of boxing. Kom was born in Kangthai village, Moirang, Lamkhai, in Churachandpur district of rural Manipur in eastern India. She came from a poor family. Her parents, Mante Tonpa Kom and Mante Akham Kom, were tenant farmers who worked in jhum fields. Kom grew up in humble surroundings, helping her parents with farm-related chores, going to school and learning athletics initially and later boxing simultaneously. Her father was a keen wrestler in his younger age. She had an eager interest in athletics since childhood. So Kom was born in Kangthai village, Moirang, Lamkhai, Churachandpur. This is Churachandpur in Manipur, eastern India. Mary Kom came from a poor family. Her parents, her father Mante Tonpa Kom and mother Mante Akham Kom, were tenant farmers. The meaning of tenant farmer, a person who farms rented land, and they worked in jhum fields. Jhum is shifting cultivation. Kom grew up in humble surroundings. The meaning of humble surroundings is simple and poor conditions. She helped her parents with farm-related chores or farm-related work and even household work. She went to school, learned athletics initially and later boxing simultaneously, that is at the same time. Her father was a wrestler. He was interested in wrestling in his younger age. She had an eager interest in athletics since childhood. She had an eager interest in athletics since childhood, and the success of Dingo Singh, a fellow Manipuri who returned from the 1998 Bangkok Asian Games with a gold medal. Kom recollects had inspired many youngsters in Manipur to try boxing, and she too thought of giving it a try. So here in this paragraph, we learn that Mary Kom was interested in athletics since childhood. The success of Dingo Singh, this is Dingo Singh, a fellow Manipuri who returned from the 1998 Bangkok Asian Games with a gold medal. Mary Kom remembers or recollects that he had inspired, that is Dingo Singh had inspired many youngsters in Manipur to try boxing. and she too thought of giving it a try. Giving it a try is attempting it. Mary Com's career started in 2000 after her victory in the Manipur State Women's Boxing Championship and the Regional Championship in West Bengal. In 2001, she started competing at international level. She was only 18 years old when she made her international debut at the first AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship in United States, winning a silver medal in the 48 kg weight category. So this is Mary Kom winning a silver medal in the 48 kg weight category at the AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship in United States. Her greatness is reinforced. The meaning of reinforced is strengthened by the way she apologized. She apologized to the whole nation for not being able to win the gold. The meaning of apology or apologized is a regretful acknowledgement of a failure. What was the failure? That she did not win the gold at the 2012 Olympics, but she won the bronze medal. So her greatness, she admitted the truth and she gave an apology to the whole nation for not having won the gold medal. Mary Kom is a legend for sure and an idol for all the sports women. The meaning of legend is one who makes history. So she has made history in the field of boxing and she's an idol for all the sports women. The meaning of idol is a person who is greatly admired, loved or respected. Sports women can look up to Mary Kom. She is an idol for all the sports women. This is an exclusive interview with Sportskeeda correspondent Taruka Srivastav and the Olympic bronze medalist Mary Kom. Sportskeeda is a platform for publishing content on professional sports, and the correspondent Taruka Srivastav interviews Olympic bronze medalist Mary Kom. Mary Kom talked about her preparation for the Olympics and her elation at winning a medal. The meaning of elation is great joy. Interviewer: first things first, you are the first Indian female boxer to win an Olympic medal for India. Has the feeling completely sunk in? Here, the meaning of this phrase sunk in is realize, or have you accepted the victory? Mary Kom replies, I'm really happy with my achievement, and yes, it is yet to sink in. I'm just so exhilarated. The meaning of exhilarated is very thrilled or happy. Interviewer: you were the only female representative from India in boxing. Did that put additional pressure on you? Mary Kom: no, not at all. I was pretty confident about myself. I knew. Interviewer: your coach, Charles Atkinson, was not allowed to accompany you to the Olympics. How did that affect your preparations? Mary Kom: well, I did miss him there, but thankfully we had already done our homework and I was well prepared. So here the interviewer is asking Mary Kom that her coach, Charles Atkinson, did not accompany her to the Olympics. He was not allowed to accompany her. How did that affect her preparation? So Mary Kom replies that she did miss him there, but thankfully they had already done their homework. That means she was well prepared for the event. Interviewer: during your preparations for the Olympics, you sparred with the male boxers of the Indian contingent. Who was your favorite sparring partner? Mary Kom laughs. Well, I trained hard in Pune and the male boxers were kind enough to practice with me whenever I required them. To name a favorite would be unfair. So the interviewer is asking Mary Kom that during her preparations for the Olympics, she sparred. The meaning of sparred here is motions of boxing during training without landing actual blows. So she sparred with male boxers of the Indian contingent. The meaning of contingent is a group of people sharing a common feature, forming part of a larger group. The interviewer asked Mary Kom who was her favorite sparring partner. Mary Kom laughs and says that she trained hard in Pune and the male boxers were kind enough to practice with her whenever she required them. And to name a favorite would be unfair or unjust. Interviewer: You were quoted saying Adams was very clever, a counter puncher, but although she carried power, she wasn't very tactical. I was scoring, but the judges were not pressing the buttons. Do you think dodgy judging was part of the reason for your loss in the semi finals? Mary Kom: Yes, I think some of the decisions were unfortunate and did not work to my benefit. So the interviewer tells Mary Kom that she had quoted saying that Adams was a very clever counter puncher. The meaning of counter puncher: a tactical defensive boxer who relies on the opponent's mistakes in order to gain an attacking advantage, to get scorecards or the chance of a knockout. So Adams carried power, but she wasn't very tactical, having planned actions to gain victory. Then Mary Kom had quoted saying that she was scoring, but the judges were not pressing the buttons. The interviewer then asked Mary Kom that, do you think it was dodgy judging? The meaning of dodgy is unjust or partial judging. And was that the reason for her loss in the semi-finals? So Mary Kom replies saying yes. She thinks some of the decisions were unfortunate and did not work to her benefit. Interviewer: India managed just 6 medals in the 2012 Olympics, even though we are a nation of 1.3 billion people. Where do you think a change is required to help us win medals that are proportionate with our population? Mary Kom: I think more and more people should take up sports as a full-time career. If we want more gold medals, more corporates should come in and sponsor players so that the players don't have any financial pressure and can just focus on their games. The meaning of corporates is companies or industries. Sponsor: organization that pays or aids sportsmen or a sports event. Interviewer: Do you think interest in boxing in India will ever go beyond the Olympics? Mary Kom: Yes, I am sure that in a few years boxing will be very popular among everyone in India all the year round. Interviewer: How aware are Indian women of their nutritional requirements? Diet and nutrition must have been a key factor in your conditioning for the Olympics. Do you think nutrition is a neglected area in Indian sports? Mary Kom: The awareness is growing now among the female athletes when it comes to nutritional requirements. Nutrition has definitely been a neglected area in Indian sports. I had to gain 3 kgs since I had to fight in the 51 kg event instead of the usual 48 kgs that I fight in. So I had to focus on what to eat. I gained weight by eating the right kind of healthy food rather than the bad saturated fats. Saturated fats is unhealthy fats. Interviewer: How big a role did OGQ play in shaping the boxing scene in India for the better? Mary Kom: OGQ really played an important part in my success. They helped me out whenever I needed something. They took care of everything, which helped me focus on my boxing and kept me stress free. The meaning of OGQ, the full form of it is Olympic Gold Quest. Olympic Gold Quest is a program of the Foundation for Promotion of Sports and Games, a not-for-profit company, or you can call it a non-profit organization, which is committed to bridging the gap between the best athletes in India and the best athletes in the world, thus helping Indian athletes to win Olympic gold medals. So the OGQ played a very important role in her success. They helped her out whenever she needed something. They took care of everything, which helped Mary Kom focus on her boxing and kept her stress free. Interviewer: What's your opinion on the future of Indian boxing? Mary Kom, the future is very bright, and I'm sure many more boxers will get medals for us. Interviewer, do you find it difficult to convince your children not to fight when they watch you go out and do it in style all the time? Mary Kom, well, I have twins, and yes, sometimes it becomes really difficult to keep them under control. Interviewer, will you train your kids to become boxers as well? Mary Com, I haven't really thought about it. As of now, just let their mother box. Interviewer, you have broken several stereotypes about the women in India by showing that women can compete with men in any field. But how good are you at the traditional feminine activities like cooking? Mary Com, well, I am good at cooking and other household work too. The meaning of stereotype is a fixed idea held as a common standard. We know the stereotype of the woman as a carer, doing household chores, cooking, looking after children. So that is generally the stereotype of women. So the interviewer tells Mary Com that she has broken several stereotypes about the women in India by showing that women can compete with men in any field. She then asks her how good she is at the traditional feminine activities like cooking, and Mary Com replies that she is good at cooking as well as other household work. Interviewer, would you be interested in coaching Indian women in boxing one day? Mary Com, let's see in the future, maybe yes. Interviewer, what do you prefer being called, super mom or super boxer? Mary Com, I love being a mom. That's the best thing that has ever happened to me. Choose the correct alternative and underline it. What is included in the text? Story, speech, interview, poem. The answer is interview. Which state does Mary Kom belong to? Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Manipur. The answer is Manipur. Who inspired Mary Kom and other youngsters in Manipur to choose boxing as a career? Dingo Singh, Charles Atkinson, Mante Tonpa Kom, Adams. The answer is Dingo Singh. What does Mary Kom prefer being called? Super mom, super boxer, superwoman, super being. The answer is super mom. Go through the text and complete the following sentences. Mary Kom helped her parents with. The success of Dingo Singh inspired. Mary Kom made her debut at. We can get more gold medals if. Mary Kom was able to increase her weight by. Mary Kom is good at. Mary Kom loves to be. Mary Kom apologized to the nation for. Kom's parents were, her father was. Kom was the first woman boxer too. So you go through the text and complete the following sentences. Give the verb forms of. Qualification, the verb is qualify. Decisions, the verb is decide. Negligence, the verb is neglect. Practice, verb is practice. The spelling will be Practise. Company, the verb is accompany. Give the noun forms of. Represent, representation. Achieve, achievement. Change, change. The change. We keep the in mind when we change into nouns. Aware, awareness. The awareness. Prepare, the preparation. Succeed, the succession. Give the adjective forms of. Favor, favorable. Nutrition, nutritional. Proportion, proportionate. Female, feminine. Finance, financial. Addition, additional.